Hey babe, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. For today's video, I partnered up with Luxy Hair to show you guys how I style my extensions. I purchased my first set of Luxy Hair 2 years ago and I have fallen in love with these extensions. And they came out with this barrel here. This is the Luxy wand. It is a 1-inch barrel and it's also an extended barrel, which makes it perfect to wrap your long Luxy hair, or if you have long hair, it wraps it all around. I'm going to show you guys how I install my hair extensions and how I style them. So if you want to see, then go ahead and keep on watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, instead of alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't want to be.
This signature hair curling wand right now is $105. Originally it's $110. I also do have an affiliate code for you guys if you guys would like to purchase it. You guys can use my code and get some money off of your purchase, which I'll have down below in the description box. So don't forget to check that out. It also features 11 heating settings and it goes from 200 degrees up to 450 degrees. It will come with a heat resistant mat and it also comes with a glove. I was doing a little TikTok styling my hair. You guys can see my hair transformation right over here. I wasn't using the glove because whenever I use the glove, my hair tends to get really staticky. So just be very cautious if you do not use the glove. It could be really handy if it doesn't get your hair staticky, but I just prefer not to use the glove and just be very cautious. As you guys seen by that TikTok, it wasn't very difficult to wrap my hair around the wand because I have pretty medium-sized hair. It's not very long. So I want to show you guys how I style my Luxy hair extensions. My Luxy hair extensions are 20-inch extensions, so definitely I want to show you guys how it wraps around and you still have that extra space in case your natural hair is a lot longer. So let's go ahead and jump into a little demonstration of how I'm going to be curling my Luxy hair. To style my extensions, I'm going to be using the Luxy Deluxe Styler. This here has suction cups at the back so that you can put it onto your wall or you can put it onto your mirror, which is what I'm going to do because I just feel like the suction works better on the mirror or on any type of glass. I'm going to go ahead and place it onto my mirror and just make sure that I push the suction cups really well into the mirror so that it doesn't slip as I'm styling my hair extensions. Then you want to go ahead and just place your weft onto the styler. And the reason I like to use the styler instead of applying the extensions into my hair is because you get more control over how far up your curl is going to go. So you guys can see I'm going to take some small sections. I'm going to grab my wand and just wrap the extension all around. There's still definitely a lot more space, but these are 20-inch extensions that I'm using. Since I have not reviewed these exact hair extensions here on my channel, I wanted to let you guys know these are actually my 20-inch classic Mocha Brown Balayage Clip-In extensions. They're 220 grams of hair. They do retail for $269. Luxy also offers you to make installment payments so you don't have to pay everything up front. So I love that about being able to do that because with pricier stuff, you definitely want to have that option to make installment payments. I'm just continuing on to curl the extensions. I usually switch up. I'll do one weft all facing one direction and I'll do the next weft facing the opposite direction. And this is what my extensions are looking like after I have curled all of them. They're so bouncy. Love them. I'm going to go ahead and apply my hair extensions now, and I do want to go over some pieces once we apply them in there because I think it'll just blend better. I'm going to begin by sectioning out my hair so that I can place my first weft. I'm going to use the 2-clip weft towards the bottom of my head. Once that's done, we're going to release the hair and we're going to be placing the second 2-piece clip weft into this area here. Taking down the hair once again, and we're placing the 3-clip weft. Slowly moving my way upward, I'm going to be placing my second 3-clip weft. And then we're going to move along to the 4-clip weft. which we have 2 of these. There is really no right or wrong way to install your hair extensions. This is just what I prefer. Towards the front of my head, I do like to take diagonal backward sections so that I can place my single weft extensions facing forward so that I have more of that length towards the front, and it frames my face as well. This is what my hair is looking like after I applied all of the hair extensions. Now I'm going to go into my hair and just see if there's any pieces that I kind of need to go over. This one's looking a little limp there. So I'm going to just go back over it with the wand. Like so. There we go. Alright, and then I think I'm going to just do this part right here because that one looks a little bit flat towards the end. I'm going to separate that because if I grab too much hair, I think it's just going to still look the same. So there we go. Again, just grab smaller pieces if it's not really curling the way you want it to. Look at that. Let me see what this looks like on the back. Okay, so this piece right here definitely could use a little bit more. Alright, let me go into that piece with the wand. This is how I curl the back. I just grab it. How's that looking? That's looking better. Okay, I think I'm happy with how it looks on the back. So this is what the back is looking like. Again, really loose waves, and I love it. Here is what my hair was looking like before, and here is the after, so you guys can see the difference of how lengthy these extensions are and how the curls came about. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wand, I'm going to have it linked down below in the description box, and also I'll have the extensions linked down below for you guys. You guys can use my discount code LX/Tracey. I'll also have that in the description box so that you guys can get some money off of your own Luxy hair extensions. One last thing that I did forget to mention about the wand is that it has an auto safety feature, which means that if you are not using it for a period of time, it will automatically turn off. So I love that about this wand because I'm just very forgetful and I get scared. I'm like thinking, did I turn it off? Did I not turn it off? I think I have covered everything. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and also a huge thank you to Luxy Hair for partnering up with me. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give my video a thumbs up and also subscribe before you leave, and I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!